Hello and good morning, everybody. This is Travis here at Canyon Auto Classics, filling for Adam today, and I'm going to show you this 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Supersport. This car is literally brand new. It has less than 500 miles. It is a Z28 Supersport. 480 miles as of right now, and it's showroom condition. You can see as I go around it here that there's literally nothing you can find on it. We like to try to find all the things we can point out, and I don't have anything to point out to you on this one. This car has a 5.7 liter V8 engine, automatic transmission. It's got dual exhaust. Obviously you can see exterior is in black. The interior is ebony or black as well. It's got 6-way power seats for both front seats. It's got a upgraded audio system, Monsoon 500 watt Monsoon 500 watt AM FM stereo with CD, 8 speakers, and amp. It's rated at 345 horsepower. You've got the SS badging on it, and the dash actually has the 35th anniversary edition plaque as well. Let's go ahead and take a look inside here. I don't need to make a very long video on this one. This car kind of speaks for itself. At 480 miles and these features, there's not a whole lot for me to tell you other than if you're in the market for a car like this, it's going to be tough to find another 2002 or early 2000s Camaro at all with only 480 miles. Let's see if we can get you to look up here. We're still learning the gimbal a little bit here, but we're figuring it out, and hopefully that shows in our videos a little bit. This has all the features you would expect from a modern car. I mean, obviously power steering, power brakes, completely loaded. It's got tons of safety features, including driver and front passenger airbags, and it's a little bit fun that it has the speedometer it has, as you can see here. I don't want to get pulled over by those guys in the brown, so I'm not going to be able to test that speedometer, but you know, boy, it just wants to be tested. Let's take a look under the hood as well. We have it running here. Does have a functional air induction hood there, you can see. as you would expect for a car with only 480 miles. Sparkling clean engine bay. And again, 5.7 liter V8 engine here. All the modern features you would expect of a 2000 plus Camaro. This car is literally no different than it came the day it came off the showroom floor. I guess, to be fair, I guess you can tell somebody has sat in it before, but that's about it. Other than that, look at the paint, look at the wheels. It's got a gorgeous set of wheels. And Goodyear, I think these are Goodyear Eagle. Yeah, Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. We have pictures of the underbody as well, just to show you. Not that you would expect much to be different with under 500 miles. Like I said, this is going to be a short video, one of our shorter ones, because I don't really have much to say because this car sells itself. 2002 35th anniversary edition Camaro Supersport. 480 miles. This is a brand new car. And I think if you look at our price, you're gonna like that. If there is something I did not show well enough, or you want to know more, call us. We'll come see it for yourself, but I'd be happy to get more pictures, take another video if I need to, whatever is needed. But this is a car that is sharp top to bottom, flawless at this point. And if you're in the market for any kind of car like this, then I don't know why you would pass it up. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Subscribe, visit us at canyonauto.com, or give us a call. All our contact information will be below. Thank you very much and have a good day.